Het gister gereën. Het jy nie is jy dof?
Kykie.
Is jy dof?
Kykie.
As jy weer met
Kyk hierso. Kyk hierso. Kyk hoe lyk dit hierso. Kyk hoe lyk dit hierso. Hi guys, JD Haynes from JD Pranks. We're back at my favorite place, Shell Krybos. It's festive season time, and of course, this is a forecourt, and this is where the magic is going to happen today. I'm going to be in a character of Van Zyl, a quality marshal. We're going to try and see if this guys this weekend, this glasses will help a little bit, because a lot of locals are coming here and hopefully they won't recognize me. And let's see if we can get these people to be very, very angry with Van Zyl, telling them dirty vehicle, a lot of things, whatever need to be done to make them upset. Let's go down there. Let me show you where the magic is going to happen. I'll also show you today for the first time a little bit behind the scenes. I'm going to show you where the cameraman is going to hide away. He's going to hide away on the back of that sign there on top. And this is why this place is so magic for us to film, because when you look down here, you can see here's a forecourt on the bottom. And this is the reason why we get such brilliant shots here. Every year we've got great scenes here. So come with me. And of course, everyone is in on the joke. These petrol attendants, they're all fantastic. They all work with me. And this is why I can get these fantastic scenes. Shawnee, say hello to the folks there.
Hello everybody.
So this is the reason.
Shell Krybos.
You see, this is why we are so good here, and this is why we get the magic. And there's another guy here, one of the superstars here at Shell Krybos, and the rest of the team is down here. Let me introduce you. There's another gentleman there. I'm showing you behind the scenes here today. There's another local here smiling from George, this gentleman. Here's Justin, the quality marshal. He's going to work with me today. You'll see on the show how we're going to prank people today. Justin, you ready for this?
I'm ready for it.
Hopefully we're going to get one guy who won a Murumi. What do you think? You think we're going to get one?
Yes, yes.
He say yes, yes, yes. So yeah, this is Shell Krybos, guys, and this is why this is the #1 filling station in the country, and this is why this team is so good, because every year we've got the best pranks here. Why? Because we can. Let me get this ready, get in character, and let's see if we can get the magic to happen. So normally what we do is we've got this microphone hidden, so we'll put it in a nice spot so people can't see. But for today, I'm just going to do a straightforward white shirt. And very important to the microphone, people don't realize, you know, for the hidden camera, you don't want this microphone to be open, because people pick it up. They do see that. So we hide the microphone on the inside, more like that, something like that, just to get in character. I'm ready for some action. Right, let's see if we can prank some people. Let's go. So may I ask, please don't take this the wrong way. It's extremely dirty. And the problem is, if everyone comes here with it breaking down the image of our filling station. You know what I'm saying? Is this just because of today, maybe gravel road, or is this you'd always trouble with a vehicle like this?
You said it.
So I'm just doing my job. The problem is the owner here, he wants to lift the standard of this filling station. And now people come here with...
Yes, sir.
So I'm just doing my work. Van Zyl.
Listen, let me explain to you quickly. I live on a gravel road.
I apologize for that.
Okay? I'm a discovery client and financial advisor. Okay? I send clients to Shell, okay? Because you are our preferred fueling station.
But the fuel is good, sir.
Yes,
yeah.
But now you're telling me my vehicle's dirty.
But sir, did you see this vehicle?
Okay, did you see that it was raining?
Look at this.
See that it was raining?
Look at that. You know that our quality marshal is wearing white shirts, sir. Now you want them to wash your windscreen.
Okay, you're busy pissing me off.
So that language won't help. Really, I mean, that's foul language.
Tell this out to cancel my diesel.
So this is the second foul language you are using. You know, there's children here, sir, and it's holiday season. Really. And I mean, that language is not going to help, really.
I'm writing a letter to Discovery on Monday morning.
Please don't do that, sir.
No,
You've got contacts.
I'm a Discovery financial advisor. I represent Shell. Okay? I represent Shell as a company.
People like you normally say you such and such, sir, but you're probably a nobody who's just you've got 1 or 2 contacts, sir. You're throwing names around here.
Alright. We'll find out on Monday morning.
So I'm just doing my work. Van Zyl. I don't have cards, sir. Van Zyl.
Van Zyl.
Bring me the quality marshal to take a photograph. I want to show Mr. Strauss how this vehicle look.
Thank you.
Because this is really dirty, sir. It's not normal dirty. This is dust. I mean, look at this. Dusty, sir. This is really dirty. I mean, people come with dirty cars. You come, hy lyk soos 'n varkok, meneer. Dit is die gesegde wat ek eintlik wil sê.
Weet jy wat, nee. Hoef ek by hulle terug, hoor. Nee, dit is reg. Hy glo my nie dat ons van Discovery af is nie.
Hy gooi net name dropping, man. This is what he's doing. Discovery. I'm from Old Mutual. No, this is not on for me, sir. If you can't wash your car, this is probably the way that your house also look inside. Dirty like this, like a varkok. Get me the quality marshal, Justin. I'm asking you nicely. And take a photograph. Ask him to take a photograph.
Is hierdie 'n sirkus?
Meneer, ek doen net my werk. Dis al wat ek doen. Ek doen my werk.
Nee, jy's besig om my.
Jy kom en gooi 'n tantrum hier soos 'n 6-jarige.
Dink jy ek praat kak?
Meneer, daar's baie mense wat Discovery kaarte
Okay,
het.
nee, dink jy ek praat kak?
Yeah, just take a photograph of this
Okay, great.
and take a photograph of this guy too, because tomorrow he's going to complain on social media. And then
I'm definitely gonna complain.
and you know what?
Julle weet jy wat, nê? Julle is die enigste Discovery petrolstasie in die hele George, nê? Weet jy dit? Nee, jy weet dit.
Nee, ek weet nie.
Weet jy hoe baie kliënte het Discovery? Het jy enigstens 'n idee?
Nee, ek weet nie.
Ja, jy weet nie. Okay, nou so wat ek gaan doen is, nê, ek gaan vir Discovery Suid-Afrika skakel, nê. En vir hulle sê hoe jy my hanteer.
Onnodig.
Op hier record asseblief hierdie. Hoe jy my hanteer, nê.
Nee, maar jy het gevloek 2 keer. Jy soos
Ja, want jy is belaglik. Wie sê vir my hoe ek my kar moet hou? Ek bly op 'n grondpad in Grootbrak. Nou sê jy vir my ek mag nie met my vuil bakkie. Dit het gister gereën. Het jy nie is jy dof?
kykie.
Is jy dof?
Kykie.
As jy weer my kar
Kyk hierso, kyk hierso. Kyk hoe lyk dit hierso. Kyk hoe lyk dit hierso.
Vat aan my kar.
Nee, jy weet ek het kite fighting gedoen nie. Ek vrom hulle ouetjies soos jy op. Ek druk hom binne in sy bakkie in, man. Jy kom my nou dreig met jou
Luister,
vingertjie.
luister, sê
Nou het jy
maar,
nog 'n fietsrybroekie ook aan. Fietsrybroekies wat 'n kite fighter wil aanvat, my lewe het nog nie gesien nie. In my hele lewe nog nie. Ek sal my hande agter my rug sit, nê? Kom try my, ek sal my hande agter my rug sit.
Jy is nie
Ek
ernstig nie.
tik jou met jou kop, jou beentjie sal so invou, meneer.
Jy ken my al. Hoe baie sien jy hierdie bakkie hier? 'n Tank 'n week. En nou hanteer jy my so.
Nee, maar jy was aggressief, meneer. Jy het gekom en gesê, asseblief nie vir meneer Strausse hier van die meneer. Meneer Strausse, hy sal my gat vye. Hy sal my gat vye.
Nee, luister, jy's besig om vir my moer te koer vandag.
Dis nie my idee nie.
Nee. Jy kan nie vir my sê my voertuig is vuil nie. Ek bly in Grootbrak. Okay,
Meneer,
op 'n grondpad.
vat net 'n housepipe
Nee.
en sprei die dingetjie
Ek
net
gaan nie
af.
jy meneer, sal nie vir my sê wat ek met my voertuig wil doen. Ek kom support vir jou en vir Shell. Vir jou, ek betaal jou salaris. ou.
Nee, bly by fietsry asseblief. Vat die fiets en ry met hom, los die voertuig ry want jy duidelik kan jy nie na mekaar kyk nie. Ek seker jou fiets lyk ook so. As jou fiets jou kar so lyk, jy dink hoe lyk jou fiets?
Jy is
Verstaan jy?
belaglik. Jy is belaglik.
Meer kan ek jou iets wys. My naam is JD Heinz, jy's op my prank show. Daar's my kamera. Brother.
Ek het geweet dat hierdie is 'n prank. Want die lewe weet net. Ek is regtig een keer 'n week hier en julle is die vriendelikste graad van almal hier. Buite dat ek 'n Discovery kliënt en makelaar is. Ek joke nie eens oor dit nie.
I told you this festive season, the best customer ever will come. Brother, jy was die moeran. Alright, dis nou die oomblik. Kyk binne in daai lens en sê vir die sy
Discovery stuur wat ek regtig gevloek by kliënte gaan dink ek so mampara.
kyk in daai lens en sê JD pranks, jy het my.
JD pranks jou bliksem.
Dankie dat jy 'n grap kan vat en jy was awesome geweest. Ek het lanklaas 'n ou gekry wat so opgewerk is. Wat het hier jou kop? Jy het seker gedink, eers het jy seker gedink ek is mental, nê? Nee.
Nee, definitief. Maar in die land kan jy nooit seker wees nie.
Jy's nou nog die moeder, ek kan sien. Sjoe, alright.
Seker het hy sommer geval.
En jou vrou is op die lyn, sy hoor al. Ek wonder wat dink sy.
Discovery Suid-Afrika 'n e-mail te skryf.
Alright brother, jy is altyd welkom. Dis die beste volstasie in die land en dan het ek jou toestemming om dit te gebruik op my show.
Ja, haal net al die vloekwoorde uit.
Gee hom 'n lekker hande klap. That's our customer for December. Absolute amazing. Thank you sir. Thank you. You local from George?
Yes.
Yeah. Ma'am, this is your husband's vehicle, isn't it? Yeah, the problem is the ladies are driving with their husband's vehicle. Then they don't know what fuel to put in because it's not your vehicle.
But the guys did. No, but I know it's diesel. I was just a little bit.
You know, because ladies shouldn't. They should be in the kitchen. You know what I'm saying? They should. Yeah, I mean, now they're driving with the fancy vehicles and they don't know.
My other Fortuner is actually a newer one than this. So I didn't know this.
And you do have a Fortuner?
Yeah.
My goodness, no, I apologize then.
No, I just didn't know. I got a bit.
Yeah, just stay
from. I was in, yeah.
Yeah, because normally ladies.
No, and then the guys, we tell them wrong, and then they're in trouble.
Exactly.
You know, it's happened to us before.
Because you may be a lady that knows your stuff, but normally ladies are really bad drivers. They should be in the kitchen and they don't know what fuel.
You shouldn't be in front of the clients.
No, I apologize, but please don't complain with my boss because he said to me, maybe I'm getting across the wrong way.
No, I know that you're being.
You know, I'm just trying to be straight to the point. So please don't on social media don't complain.
No.
You know.
No, I'm not complaining.
But can I show ma'am something?
Yeah.
My name is JD Haynes. I'm an actor. And you're my hidden camera prank show. There's a camera.
Gosh, you've got a funny head.
Oh, you were so much fun. The second time I'm putting the ladies should be in the kitchen, I could see you're laughing, but you say, hey, you're out of your place now. All right, do me a favor, please. Look straight in the camera there and say, JD Pranks, you've got me.
JD Pranks, you've got me.
There we go. Thank you so much. And may I use this on my show?
Yeah, for sure.
You were fun. Thank you. Give her a nice hand. Goeiedag. Is meneer hier van George?
Nee.
Nie van George nie. Die voertuig is redelik vuil, meneer is bewus van dit, nê?
Wat?
Die voertuig is redelik vuil. Ja. Ons vra maar net want die ding is net ons is 'n baie hoë klas volstasie en ons wil nie graag hê mense moet met ou karre en vuil koor en dit's baie vuil want dis baie mense wat met baie netjiese karre hier kom en hulle hou nie hiervan nie. So as ek kan vra as jy weer miskien ingooi by ons, net seker maak dat hy daarom
ek sal sommer nooit weer so by kom.
Nee, dis nie die idee wat ons wil hê nie, jy weet, maar ek bedoel net miskien 'n ou housepipe, net 'n lekker ou afspuit of 'n ding, want dit is regtig kyk hierso meneer, regtig bitter vuil. En dit breek die image van die volstasie af. Jy weet. Ja, ons het regtig hier's mense wat kom wat regtig nek. Ja, nee, maar dis bitterlik vuil mevrou, hoor.
Ons kom van Stilbaai af, ons kom ons seun optel en dan gaan ons dadelik terug, so ons sal nooit weer kom.
Nee, dis nie wat ons wil hê nie mevrou, hoor.
Okay.
Ja, dis reg. Nee, asseblief tog mevrou, hoor. Ja, want almal sê hulle ry grondpaaie, jy weet, maar die karre lyk gewoonlik, jy weet, permanent omtrent so, jy weet. Is jy by die huis ook so vuil meneer?
Die kar het 3000 km op, so ons is jammer ons kom met ons splinter nuwe kar, ons het net soos jy nou.
Maar meneer, as jou kar so lyk jou huis ook so en dit is regtig so.
Ai genade, ons het gister gery om by daar aan te kom. Dit het gereën gisteraand. Ons gaan ons kind nou oplaai, dan gaan ons terug in 'n dag.
Kamp julle hier mevrou?
Nee, ons huis op Stilbaai.
Julle huis.
Ons kom ons seun net oplaai.
Maar die skorrelgoed in die aande, was julle die skorrelgoed in die aand of staan dit ook vuil?
Ons gaan in poort terug.
Ja. Nee, ek doen maar net my werk want dis wat die eienaar van my verwag. Kyk, hy was jou windscreen skoon. Jy weet, hy maak skoon, maar die hele bakkie agter, nou ry jy met 'n skoon windscreen, maar kyk hier, vuil. Ek kan skryf hier, vuil. Agter ook, bitter vuil. Kyk hier agter. Kyk hoe lyk dit hierso, meneer. Kyk as jy daar kyk. Kyk hoe lyk dit daar. Dis bitterlik vuil, regtig waar. En die ding is, hier's mense wat hier kom en hulle gaan dit breek die image af. Dit help nie maak skoon nie, hoor. Jy mors jou tyd. Ek meen, dis 'n skoon windscreen, wat lyk hierdie bakkie?
Dis jou suster, nee. Ja.
Dan moet jy daar bo kyk, sien jy my kant. My naam is JD Haynes, hy is op my show. Jy was 'n bietjie ontstel, hoor. Kyk. Hy het dit goed gehanteer, hoor.
Nee, gaan ek nou weer.
Maar toe ek vir jou sê van daai kombuisie en die skorrelgoed, nê. Ooh. Ek het nog toe uitklim, nê, gaan my kom hakkie agter, hoor. Ek was doodseker hier kom 'n hak. Jy was so naby. Doen my 'n groot guns. Kyk vir my in daai lens en sê JD Pranks, jy het my.
JD Pranks, jy het my.
Want ek dink ek het jou, nee, maar jou vrou was vir my die beste, hoor. Sy was die beste. Alright, julle twee, het ek julle toestemming om op my show, JD Pranks, ons baie dankie. Baie dankie. Goeiedag, wat is jou naam? Jason, ons het 'n nuwe policy hier, so gooi jy Shell in. Petrol.
Ja.
Ja. Alright, ons dis 'n baie ou voertuig, hoor. Ons wil nie in ou karre gooi nie want dan sê hulle die Shell werk nie lekker nie, maar dit is eintlik die krokkie wat nie lekker is nie. Jy verstaan, nê? Kan ek jou vra dat ons liewer by die ander manne gooi, die blou manne of die ander brands, maar nie die Shell. Die Shell is net vir goeie karre, jy verstaan.
ding dan so goed is.
Nee, hierdie ding is baie net 'n oomblik meneer, ek is net besig hierso. Dis 'n stokou krokkie hierdie meneer. Dit gaan ons fuel se naam afbreek.
Hy bom meneer. Die bakkie in daai karretjie is 1 jaar gemaak.
Hoeveel?
2005.
Okay. So jy wil nie by die blou manne gooi nie. Nie rarig nie. Ek doen my 'n groot guns. Kyk vir my daar in die kamera. My naam is JD Haynes. Dis net op die kamera uitgevang. Hoor, is net 'n grappie. High five. Jy like die show, nee? Ja. Jy like hom, my man. Gee lekker smaal daar. Wave net daar vir die mense. Sê jy's 'n showman.
Shell boy.
Dankie hoor.